Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off audio description on Paramount Plus. Now, first you have to go to Paramount Plus on your browser, for example. Then you have to log in, and now you have to choose a series or a movie. Then click on Watch Now right here. After that, it will open the movie, as you can see. Now you have to click on this icon on the top right corner, which stands for the subtitles and audio. Once you click on it, it will show you this page. Now here you have two options in the audio. It depends on which series you are watching or which movie, because in some cases you may find more than one audio or more than two audios, and here you will have this option right here, American English AD. So this AD in the end, it stands for audio description, and this is what are we going to actually disable or turn off. So to make sure that this option is disabled, you have to choose another option. So I'm gonna choose the American English on the top right here without the AD abbreviation, and this is a very important step. And after you choose American English, the audio description will be turned off. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.